This is why you need simple shading tips to make your animal drawings pop and come to life. Ready to learn some magic and transform your drawings? Most beginners struggle with shading, and this makes their artwork look flat and two-dimensional. But don't worry, I've got an easy solution for you. First, pick 2 or 3 shades of a color that you like. Start with the lightest shade to color the base of your drawing. Then use a slightly darker shade for areas where shadows would naturally fall, like under the ears or around the eyes. Finally, add the darkest shade to the deepest shadow spots for extra depth and dimension. Watch how those cute features like eyes and cheeks start to pop and look more realistic. With just a bit of practice, your animals will go from flat to fab in no time. Look at how those small touches make such a big difference in your artwork. If you want to keep improving your skills, grab a copy of our coloring book on Amazon. It's full of cute designs that are perfect for practicing these techniques. The link is in the description below. Happy drawing and have fun!